I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it.
At some point in our lives, we all set goals we want to achieve. And though the path to accomplish them may be smooth for some, for others, it can be a real struggle. However, with determination and a little help, you often find that goals which seemed so unattainable suddenly seem within reach.
But I gotta keep trying, gotta keep my head held high.
The government, through various social development programs across ministries, agencies, and departments, has been extending that helping hand, providing mentorship, training, and opportunities for employment.
It ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb.
The Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining, MSTEM, is among the government ministries that are facilitating a mentorship environment. Successful MSTEM programs include the Train the Trainer program in animation, Digital Jam, and Startup Jamaica. Through these programs, Jamaicans have been able to secure meaningful employment and become successful entrepreneurs. And now, the STEM Ministry has added a new program, the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica PCJ Graduate Internship Program.
We got to give a little love, have a little hope, make this world a little better. Try a little more, harder than before, let's do what we can do together.
You're going to be exposed to just so much. It's going to be a really great experience, I can tell you, because you're going to be blown away by the extent of the exposure that you're going to get in this program. We're talking about innovations in energy. We're talking about conservation and mechanics of that international fuel pricing formula.
The objective is really to lend a hand to the development of young people in Jamaica. It forms part of our broader list of corporate social responsibility programs in contributing to the development of Jamaica through its young people.
The 10 shortlisted interns will spend a year at the PCJ in an area of their choosing, whether finance, human resources management, engineering, geology, information technology, and media and mass communication. While working at the PCJ, the participants are expected to gain valuable skills to help them transition into professional life, preparing them to take on the working world and contribute to the economic development of the country.
You'll be well advised to learn and practice proper time management, demonstrate initiative to constantly broaden your scope of knowledge, and eagerly embrace the hands-on lessons that are necessary to attaining mastery in your chosen area of specialization.
And the eager interns are raring to go, armed with some skills of their own, anxious to achieve their professional goals.
I've brought with me my passion and enthusiasm about writing.
I did a geology and chemistry degree, so I also bring in some amount of chemistry to my degree, which is very important in oil and gas research, especially when it comes to hydrocarbon research. So I guess those are kind of the big skills that I bring to this.
In the future, I'd like to become an HR manager. I'm learning all aspects of HR, so that will contribute to my development and that I'll be well-rounded.
We intend to afford them some amount of training opportunities, soft skills, and some amount of coaching and various forms of development. The expectancy of them is to learn and perform.
Being in the PR department, I've been able to give an input in everything that has been including this event, and I can see where I have been contributing.
I've been exposed to a number of areas, not only in engineering or construction, but also even stuff just like as simple as administrative stuff, which is necessary you need in our development as young professionals.
Sanjay is a civil engineer graduate but wants to transition into chemical engineering.
Considering that PCJ is actually within the energy sector, it's advantageous to me to have been placed here.
I expect at the end of the day to become a well-rounded individual who is able to function effectively in respective environments.
What miracles you can
We would hope that this program will grow to take on more students, and so that in the end, the Jamaican society can benefit from the productivity that these persons will be taking to the job market.
But their job search may very well begin and end at the PCJ.
Yes, there is a possibility of a permanent employment for all the graduate interns in their participation. The policy is tailored that way, so that if it is that there is a vacancy and that person has a competencies to match the vacancy, as with all other employment screening, then we will be looking at the intern.
The PCJ's graduate internship program is inspired by Petrojam, another subsidiary of the STEM ministry, which also operates an internship program. So, with government taking a leadership role to groom young people for meaningful employment, it's also adding to the pool of qualified persons from which businesses can choose.